Hello everyone, welcome to my new video with you live from Alarm Designer. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to transform your logo into 3D look using Canva. But all that after this short break. First of all, by uploading the logo, or if like me, I'm going to use another logo here. So I'm going to Element and search for logo. So let's try this one here. I like it. And after that, in the same search bar, you search for transparent water drop. And like this, you choose the first one here and you put it above the logo you have. This trick will give your logo a unique eye-catching dimension in just one step, so perfect for anyone wanting to make their logo stand out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.